Oh, nangyay Bugis daw. Restaurant. Bugis restaurant.
We're trying to find out where our restaurant is.
Over there.
Yeah.
Nagpasang ano yun, orthopedic.
Oo, doon yan. Dikit-dikit ang restaurant doon.
How much?
300.
How much?
300.
So we finally made it. Our tricycle driver wanted 300 pesos and an air-conditioned taxi cost us 60. This is Banawe Street just over there. So we're, I think, on the northern side of Banawe Street. And it's kind of known as the second Chinatown here in Manila. The first, of course, being Binondo. Oh boy, this place is busy. And so we've decided to come to this place, Bugis, which is a Singaporean restaurant. They advertise themselves as Singaporean Street Food. But I don't know if we're going to get a table. Let's have a look. I hope we can get a table. Hi. 2.2.
Sama kayo, ma'am? Boxing kayo.
Just go in here. Okay. Alright. Two people. Alright, they've given us a menu and their appetizers are called num-nums. That comes from the Latin num 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 num. And Emma is just deciding what num-nums we're going to have. And I think we're going to have terrible audio problems here. Well, the audio is going to be a major problem here. Might not be able to even use this footage, but we've ordered curry laksa, which is good for two people. That's 280 pesos. We've ordered the a la carte honey chicken, which is just going to be pieces of honey chicken on a plate. And that's sort of for the main course, which is the laksa. That was 185. And then we've ordered some tiger rolls, some num-nums, some tiger rolls, a breaded scallop and something else. I can't even remember. And some chicken satay sticks, because Emma's never had satay. And the menu looks fantastic. And it's not too expensive, but it looks really good. So this place is just off Banawe Street, which is the second Chinatown, like I said before. And there's a lot of car repair shops and accessory shops, hundreds of them in Banawe Street. But there are also lots and lots of Asian restaurants. So there's Korean, Japanese, lots of Chinese, and of course, Singaporean. Singaporean food really seems to be a kind of fusion of Malaysian, Indonesian, and Chinese. It's a really interesting menu. Have I got hat hair? I got that hat from Green Hills. Speaking of hair, this is Emma's Christmas present, early Christmas present. She's had her hair dyed brown and cut a little bit shorter. Looks really good. Looks great. We forgot to order roti. So we've ordered 2 roti. They're 60 pesos each. And they were telling me that Bugis Street is a street. So the name of this restaurant, Bugis, is a street in Singapore where there's a lot of street food. Famous street food street. All right, our food's arrived. We'll just have a closer look. Emma is about to have her first ever chicken satay. Good? All right, it's my turn on the chicken satay. Satay sauce is fairly thin. It's good. It's very nice. I'm looking forward to the laksa. I love curry laksa. To serve the laksa, we've got these tweezers and this ladle. So I think this is the idea. Get a prawn. Oh, our roti, thank you. Yep, this is the idea. So we got a roti each to go with our laksa. Just dip it in here. The laksa should be spicy. Yeah, it is a bit. A little bit of fish cake. There's a prawn, some tofu, thick noodles, and a spicy soup. Oh, and the soup's really nice. It's very good. 250 pesos for two. Enough for two. And apparently as well, if you ask, you can have a refill of soup. Well, Emma likes it, and so do I. I never thought I'd hear myself say this, but I think I need chopsticks. All right, we're going to try these num-nums now. So we got the tiger prawns, the breaded shrimp, no, breaded scallop. It's like a fish cake. There's a sweet chili dipping sauce. They're a bit tasteless and a bit cold. And now, the honey chicken a la carte. A la carte apparently means no rice. The chicken in the satay sticks and the chicken here is really succulent. Oh, it's very nice. Have you had some honey chicken? Can you have some? Yeah? I thought it was really moist and succulent and lots of flavour. It's fairly sweet, as you'd imagine. The roti goes really nicely with the laksa. You can get a curry dipping sauce with the roti if you like, but I thought we'd just use the laksa soup. They brought us a condensed milk, a very sweet condensed milk dipping sauce to have with our roti. While you're having a laksa. Thank you. Thanks very much. It's difficult to choose, and it's probably unnecessary to do so. But I think I like laksa more than ramen, and I love ramen. And ramen has a lot more variety. So this curry laksa, and virtually every curry laksa I've ever had, gorgeous. It was very nice. Yeah, it was really, really good.
Can I tell you, are you doing vlog?
Yeah.
Sir, if you want, can I know your YouTube channel so we can support you?
I'll give you my card. I'll get my card. I'll give it to you later. Oh, okay. My Michael Caine glasses broke. So, total bill, including a 10% service charge, is 924 pesos. And it was really good. I don't know about the num-nums. I wouldn't bother with the num-nums in future. But the chicken satay, Emma reckons that was her favourite part. The laksa was delicious. The honey chicken was honey chicken. But overall, it was a pretty good meal. 2 people, around about 500 pesos each. I'm happy with that.
Yep, I'm full. Look at me.
Just saw myself in a shop window. I think I look like an extra from Gilligan's Island. So I still haven't gone to Baguio. And there are a couple of reasons for that I've been dragging my feet. One is that I've been told that I can have the booster shot on the 17th of December. That'll mean 6 months since my second Sinovac shot. And Sinovac's efficacy is so low that with Omicron, you know, I think a boost is absolutely mandatory. And also, I'm waiting for a credit card to be delivered because my old credit card expires and I'm not exactly sure when it expires. So I don't really want to be in Baguio with no money. So I'm just waiting for that to arrive, have the booster, and then take off. All right, I think that's it for today's vlog. Emma's saying that she's had enough, and we've just found a Starbucks. So until next time, take care.